That's what I'm saying. The reason why I'm blaming you.
Yeah.
You are preparing to become a National Assembly member.
No, he was.
I mean, he's still.
Yes.
Yes.
No,
No, he can't. He can't.
Yeah.
We pray to God that. But what I'm saying, Ibrahim, we have to distinguish, clauses that can be easily removed by simple majority, or by a court, or by a referendum. Do you understand? Now, constitutional amendment on the term limit is not simple majority. Do you understand? And the bills that came to us at the time, they were government bill. And who was the head of the government? Adama Barrow. You cannot blame anybody for that. It's Adama Barrow. And the first person when that bill was amended, the first person to be appointed was Farmata Tambajang. And Farmata Tambajang is not UDP. But she was a woman who played a crucial role in the coalition more than you and I. Do you understand? Now, you also talk about, the councils. You said there are, all over Brikama Area Council, KMC. Fine. What of the councils that are governed by your MPP members? Go to Kerawara Area Council. Tonsor the flag from all over. 24th century. Either official or tonsor the tila. Until we are the most unfortunate country. These are the slow been in tonsor ball in tonsor sumonal. MPP in Kolabiji. Scandal member Basiama Mokumba Gambeja. MPP never rule in Eji.
But I don't think that's a good excuse.
No, it's not an excuse. It's not
abysmally performing your party membership.
No, it's not. What I'm telling him, it's not about the party to say that what Yankuba did in this country. Me, I don't believe in politics of, fallacies to say things just because you don't like Damfa. If Damfa does something good, I believe that we have to give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Brikama, since time immemorial, the development that they have done, it has never happened in the history of the Gambian Council. Go and look at right now what they are doing with the construction that they are doing. But it's the same executive that put pressure on them to stop them to do those developments. Do you understand? Let me come. Do you understand? And we talk about the independence of the local government. The local government should be supported. How much are you giving them? The government is supposed to give them a percentage from the 25%. The government is not giving it. Parliament talk about it. They said the councils need to send their budget. They have to plan. Then we called the council and said, okay, do it this time. And when they did it, they could not give them 25%. These are lacunas. These are issues. But what I'm saying is, you yourself know that this government, you're talking about, Jambe at the time of human rights abuse. I can list numerous human rights abuses happened by your government. Auditor General's office is an independent office. You went there, you interfered with his work, never happened in the history. What did you do to Mohamed Sabali? What did you do to the same Dr. Sisi of mere freedom of speech? How many human rights violations? What did you do to Bori Ture? Of recent, what did you do to Lamin Dabo? Do you understand? And the Chief Justice, because the Chief Justice, who is appointed by the President, the judiciary is under him. The judiciary made a decision on a case. How can the President openly to go and start and say that case, this and that, the murderers? He knows the murderers and he's sitting in Banjul. Then he should have brought the murderers before the court.
But my father, NPP coalition, president is
Mine is a political prostitute. It's an opportunity. Mine doesn't believe in his trade. He doesn't believe in his, the ideology, the field that he studied. He doesn't believe in it. That's why he cannot win a case. So what I'm telling you is that with all the things that you are saying, the democracy that, in fact, you said Barrow is not arresting, is not killing, Barrow is not, he cannot do that. I'm telling you. because we fought for him. We fought against the worst dictator of the century, that was Jammeh. And those things will not be repeated here. We are not going to accept it. Accept it. You are a Democrat. You are not accept that.
1 minute.